Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajiv Dotto in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is leadership, what it means and why it matters. Leadership is the ability to guide and inspire people to work together toward a common goal. A leader is someone who takes responsibility, makes decisions, and helps others do their best. Good leadership is not about giving others, it is about encouraging and supporting people. A great leader has many important qualities. Number one, honesty. A leader should always tell the truth and be fair. Number two, confidence. Believing in oneself helps inspire others. Number three, good communication. A leader should listen to others and share ideas clearly. Number four, kindness and respect. Treating people well makes them feel valued. Number five, art decisions, making skills. A leader must make good choices even in difficult situations. There are many ways to lead, and different leaders have different styles. Number one, autocratic leadership. The leader makes all the decisions without asking others. Number two, democratic leadership. The leader listens to everyone's ideas and make decisions together. Number three, transformational leadership. The leader brings big changes and inspires others. Number four, servant leadership. The leader focuses on helping and supporting their team. Leadership is not just for famous people. Anyone can be a leader in their school, family, or community. A student helping classmates, a teacher guiding students, or a friend supporting others are all examples of leadership. Being a good leader means working hard, staying positive, and helping others succeed. Thank you for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.